Becoming the owner of a Mercedes AMG may be one of the most exciting, rewarding, and emotional decisions you ever make. But it is the result of an extremely rational understanding of what makes these machines without equal. Every engine is built by hand from start to finish, each one by its own single master technician with years of intensive training.
He is, as one person, very responsible for this engine, that the quality is so good we want to have it for our customer.
It's kind of a promise we sent from Affalterbach to the world.
Every component is barcoded, scanned, and tracked by computer in every AMG engine.
I think the concept is something really fantastic because this engine in your car is built by one man.
Every stage of the building process is recorded on every engine. The torque on every screw is verified and documented.
They very often have a very sensitive feeling in their fingers, and they feel when they mount the engine if everything is okay.
Every tool we use is monitored by computer for accuracy and wear, and every AMG engine bears the signature of its builder.
It's an honor, crazy feeling. It comes from my soul and my heart.
It is the purest and the most precise way to build a high-performance engine, and the results speak for themselves.
You think that's the maximum, and then you see the next step, and you said, unbelievable.
We build the most efficient line of V8 bi-turbo high-performance engines and one of the broadest ranges of performance vehicles in the world.
Every engine, every powertrain has a specific sound, and we creating this like making music.
Every car is a little bit different.
We build the world's most powerful four-cylinder production engine, and more than 20 of our models deliver over 500 horsepower. And we have the highest number of race wins of any Formula One team in a single season.
AMG was founded in '67, but it was kind of born on the racetrack. Driving performance is our brand core. That's the inner force of AMG. It's all about emotion.
So analyze the data, look at the performance statistics, then get behind the wheel.
The fascination, the power, the engineering of the car, this is very, very special.